Hey guys, on this video we will try to understand strings in Python. So what is exactly string is? A string is a data type which is used to represent text instead of numbers. When it comes to Python, strings are surrounded by single quotation marks or double quotation marks. I'm using function called print, and inside the round braces of this function I will try to declare my string. Let's try to understand practically. Now to do that, open your Python IDE, write your function that is print. Inside that I'm trying to write how are you. So I want to print it, right? As I said earlier, we can use double quotes or single quotes. So I'm using both to make you understand. So just type your strings with double quotes or single quotes. Save it and then just run. You will get the output. So this is all about string. Thanks for watching. To subscribe my channel.